Welcome. In front of me is a MAXCOM MS457, and today I will show you how to access the boot mode on this device. So starting off, you want to power off the device, so hold the power key and then select shutdown and confirm it once it's visible by tapping on OK. And then wait for the device to actually shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration of the device. Yeah, which just happened. So now you want to hold power key and volume up simultaneously. So let's do that. And as you can see, we're now in the boot mode. So from here we will use only volume up to navigate, as you can see, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever we select. And from here we can access recovery mode or fast boot mode, or also just reboot the device back into the normal Android, which I'm gonna select as an example and select it now, and volume down to confirm it. You can see now that it's going back into the normal Android. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is basically how you access the boot mode and also leave it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.